Hello. Okay, I'm done. I already forgot what I was going to say. So today we are making wacky cake. I think it's called. Yes, wacky cake. We are making we're making wacky cake today. Sorry, I just ate like a lump of the sugar and I
You're going to have plenty of that later.
Okay.
Okay.
So you can tell them what we are going to put in there, and then.
Okay, we're going to take and I've got this measured out. We have 3 cups of flour. Has to be all. I sift it all together. So with the other dry ingredients, I like to put in part of the powder, the flour, because it will not let the sugar slide through my sifter here all by itself. And so if you put the flour in and then add a little bit of this is 3 cups of flour, 2 cups of sugar. And we'll add this along like this.
Joke.
And I'm going to sift it into this pan after I get started here. This is to be my mixing bowl.
So see, she's just sifting it. Like
awesome. I am sifting it right into there. And then I'm going to go ahead and add the rest of the flour. And again, I'll add the flour first. Therefore, the sugar will all go down in the bottom.
There goes the school people.
What'd you say?
The school bus just went by.
Did it? And then I'll add the sugar on top of that. And we're going to go with this again.
I'll put this over here.
Okay. Yes, we're all through with that. You see my spatula, huh?
Oh, yes, I see it. Here.
I thought I had one here. Okay.
Spatula.
If you have a little sugar that doesn't go through there, sometimes it helps just to have something there to push it all the way through. Now, what I had here also, of course, came out of that measurement. So we're going to add this.
This is salt. I've been doing this. Ow. I like salt.
Another thing I could have done, and probably would have been a little bit better, if I'd gone ahead and added my other dry ingredients. But the sugar and flour is mixed real well. And here we're going to add 1 teaspoon.
Okay, so I'm going to show you something adorable, people. Look at this little guy. It's a little giraffe who holds your recipe when you're cooking. Isn't he adorable? I just think he's so cute. So cute.
No one would realize how much I use that. It is perfect. Now, this is all. I need to add the soda. There's our soda. Again, I think I'll take just a little bit of this. And I'll add this soda. And this we need, how much do we need? 2 teaspoons.
2 teaspoons. Yep. Baking soda.
Would you hold that down for me?
Now we are just measuring our ingredients here so it is perfect. You want to make sure that you are putting in the right amount. So we are just making sure.
That's 1.
And we need 2.
And we need 2. There's our 2 teaspoons of baking.
I'm gonna put that. No, I will not, because then they can't see us.
Just put it right over here, huh? It'll be fine. 2 teaspoons of the soda and the salt. And again, we'll just mix it right in with this. spatula, huh? Did I? Oh, here it
Oh.
is, right behind. So close I couldn't
My
see
mom does that. She'll say, "Where is my phone?" And I'll say, "It is in your hand."
it.
She'll be like, "Oh."
That's where it is, huh?
That happened to me one time. For some time, I had to use these little glasses that had little dots in them, so that way it helped me like see good. I mean, I don't think I really needed them, but Mom wanted me to use them. So when you wore them, it's like they were black right over your eyes. They had little holes through them, and I had those on my head because I wasn't using them at the moment. So I'm like, shoo. Then I go in the kitchen and I'm like, "Hey, where are my glasses?" And she's like, "I don't know." And I go into Daddy and I'm like, "Hey, where's my glasses?" And he's like, "I don't know." And then I go back in. I'm like, "Are you sure you don't know where my glasses are?" She's like, "Yep, they're on your head." I'm like, "Oh,
The lost is found.
Yep.
I'm going to get a little bit more of this in my shaker here, my sifter. And I'm going to add 6 tablespoons of cocoa.
Oh, cocoa.
And now this has a little thing on it that kind of measures it for it, helps me to measure it too. So we'll use that. Now can they see what I'm doing? I guess they can.
If you want, I can do it, and you can get like the next ingredient ready.
Well, that's okay. I was just trying to get it where it was showing it.
Go. Oh,
and there's 2.
I'll move this over here since we're not using it at the moment.
Okay.
So we can see everything we need to see.
3.
Something. Oh, that's not. I thought that like this was on the screen. I'm like, huh, what is that?
What I have 3.
Yeah.
4. 5.
You saw nothing on the table.
What?
Nothing. I'm hiding what's on the table. Not that it matters. They're gonna see it before the video is over. But
Let's see with that. You want to put the lid on that, huh?
all right.
Now, again, we go back to our sifting.
This is what we use, even though you probably knew that.
And we're all
Also putting this over here.
This takes care of all of our dry ingredients. We've got all of our dry in there now.
I will be right back. You can tell them each thing that you need to do for like mixing, and then
Okay.
I will be back, most likely before you're done. I'll be right
Okay.
back.
Now what I usually do is go ahead and put this on my mixer. And let this do the mixing for us. Now when that's mixed, we'll turn that off.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. So, Mom, tell us, what are our dry, not dry, we already did that,
Our
our
liquid.
wet ingredients.
Okay. We have 3 that goes in these little holes. Now, the first one is 2 tablespoons of vinegar.
Vinegar is like, ugh.
1,
I'm not a fan of that, but go ahead. I'm a fan of vinegar
2.
if you want.
And then we have 1 tablespoon
Is it
vanilla. Mm-hmm.
So you're going to put that in like that one or that one?
Uh-huh, right.
Awesome. And what is our last ingredient that you will be putting in here?
It will be vegetable oil.
Vegetable oil.
Uh-huh.
Nice. And there it is.
I have it already
Just going
measured.
to show you our little guy over here. He's holding our recipe. There's that. See, we have our 2 ingredients in there so far.
And the other one is 2/3 of a cup of oil.
Alright. So is there a secret to why you were putting 3 holes and why they're all separate? Is there a reason?
You know, the only reason I know of that they've done that is it makes this cake so easy because you can't hardly make a mistake. Because, you know, then you put your liquids in there. Now, after this, you just take 2 cups of water, which I've measured out here, and pour over those. This is a very simple cake to make. And it's one that usually everybody likes. Now it's ready to go in the mixer. Turn the mixer on, so we'll get it over here. You might want to get. We're going to turn our mixer on here in a minute. And get this going.
So now that this is mixed, we only had to mix it for a few seconds to get it mixed enough, but now we are putting it in our pan.
Yeah, there's no use mixing it very long, just long enough to get it together good.
Oh, and one more thing. What we did for the pan to make it like not very sticky, you put I'm pretty sure you put flour on there, isn't it?
Well, first we put a little bit of oil on it, and just barely sprinkle it with flour.
Yeah.
Now, what I used to have done, if I'm using it and want it out of the pan like a sheet cake, well, I always have to do that. But today, actually, we're not even going to do that. We're just going to bake this cake and ice it in the same pan. And a lot of times...
Oh, you can leave a little bit of goodie for me.
Yeah, a lot of times we have somebody that likes to have that. Now we put this in a 350 oven, which is hot already.
Yep, she's had it going for a few minutes.
And let it bake. And how many minutes does it say on the chart?
On our chart, which is over here, 35 or 40 minutes.
35 or 40. Okay.
Yep. So
set our timer.
So I say we should do 35 minutes first.
Right.
Yes. So we will show you what it looks like after 35 minutes. So this is what our wacky cake looks like. It just came out. I'm going to touch it. Ow. So, I don't know why I just touched it. I know it just came out of the oven. But, this is our wacky cake. It just came out of the oven. It looks very delicious. Yes, this is what it looks like.